Hello everyone. My name is Gautam Sarkar. I stay in Thane, Maharashtra. Uh, and few days back, I had seen a video on YouTube regarding ancestral healing. And after watching that video, I decided to join this workshop by Cosmic Advocacy. And now I have completed this 2 days of workshop, and I feel the issue which I wanted to resolve will be resolved this after eventually. One experience I would like to share is when I was coming to this workshop, I had a ankle pain which is now reduced to more than half, and I think so in couple of days it will be gone. So it is like a miracle to me कि how this pain has arisen and how this pain has gone now. So I think this method of healing is very effective. I had many issues in life, and I came with an intention to resolve one of my issues, and we worked on it, which was not getting resolved for many decades. But after these 2 days of healing, I am confident that this issue will get resolved. So I thank Kiran sir, and I thank Dr. Mugdha